Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will get to know about some unusual doctors and their unusual specialities. Let's get to know. Doctors in general have been treating patients for as long as we can remember. We usually refer to them as doctors, not really getting the gist of what they actually do. In simpler terms, we don't know their specialty. When we were young, we might have come across pediatricians, that is, specialist for children's disease, or dermatologist, that is, specialist for skin care, and we would only call them doctors. Now, these are some of the doctors you have probably never even heard of. The first one comes geriatric medicine specialist. These doctors specialize on caring for the elderly. They usually work in retirement homes, assisted living centers, and of course in hospitals. Now the second one is hospice and palliative medicine specialist. These doctors care for those people who are nearing death and are therefore experts in pain management. This specialty is definitely not an easy job, especially for those with soft spots for their patients. The third comes the physiatrist. These doctors specialize in physical medicine as well as the rehabilitation treat of the neck or back caused by accidents or diseases. Also, they tackle sports or spinal injuries as well as other disabilities involving that certain region of the body. Due to the spelling, however, people often confuse them for psychiatrist. The fourth one is podiatrist. They are likewise called foot doctors because they specialize in problems concerning the feet or ankles caused by accidents in sports as well as those from ongoing health conditions like diabetes. Now comes the sleep medicine specialist. If you consequently find yourself in a troubled sleeping state, you would probably want to visit the doctor. They find and treat the causes behind your poor sleep. They could also suggest ways on how to keep track of your sleep-wake patterns. Now the sixth one is hyperbaric physicians. They are called hyperbaric since they use a higher pressure of oxygen in treating decompression, illnesses, and carbon monoxide poisoning. Now comes the neonatologist. The doctors in this area specialize in the diagnosis and treatment of disorders in newborns. They are usually found in neonatal intensive care units to check on premature babies or those babies born with infections and other health problems. Now coming to the perinatologist. When a woman encounters a problem during pregnancy, these doctors are the ones they consult with. They specialize with the care of complicated, high-risk pregnancies as well as those pregnant women with chronic medical conditions. They are also referred to as maternal fetal medicine. Now let's see about naturopathic doctors. These doctors focus primarily on the holistic healing system. They help in facilitating the body's natural healing abilities to subsequently restore the balance. Due to the nature of their work, they usually function in private clinics and other community health centers. Now comes the andrologist. If gynecologists are those who specialize in the treatment of the female reproductive organs, this is the counterpart for that. Andrologists specialize with helping male patients with urological, sexual, and reproductive problems, particularly unique to men. That's all about some unusual doctors all around the world. Please don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon as you can get all my new video notifications. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.